Who can relate to this bus park scene? Yeah, that is the reason I am posting this video, because this bus scene was just so nostalgic for me. It made me remember my days in the east and my days in the west too. And also in this video I set out on a journey to see the most popular YouTuber in Awka, Anambra State of Nigeria. So guys, I want you to let me know if you can relate with this, and I also want you to relax, enjoy and stay tuned.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Hello beautiful people, it's your favorite baby girl Dera Giselle on the microphone, and as you all know I am vlogging live from Anambra State. I'm currently in Onitsha, but I am on my way to Awka, the capital of Anambra, to see Lily Pope, the popular Lily Pope TV. I'm going to see Lily Pope and I'm so excited. Just come along with me guys, because this is going to be fun. Let's go guys. Guys, that's how I got to the park. There was still space at the back, the seats before the back, but I didn't want to sit down there. I was like, I want to sit down towards the outside. That's what I mean on Namputa. God guys, I sat down with one yash from the beginning of the journey to the end of the journey. Like, no, you understand what I mean by one yash? Like one butt cheek, the other part of my butt cheek was hanging because I was not even comfortable at all. And that's it, I sat on. The thing did not even have any rest at the back. Thank God Awka is not so far from Onitsha. If not there, I can't mean here. So guys, I sat at the window side, I didn't sit at the front, so that is why the video is showing only the side. So guys, hope you're enjoying the Ogene beats. Like I said in one of my Onitsha vlogs, I'm using this Ogene beats because this is an eastern state and it just kind of rhymes. Please, if you know this part of Awka, represent. Oh, I don't know this place. I don't know what this bridge is called. I just saw it and decided to like film it. Oh my God, this house is blessed in Jesus' name.
Amen. Welcome.
Mama, how are you? Fine girl. How are you? You are reading? You are reading? Makazio. Camera name made game at all. Yes, I'm serious. You're so fine. I'm serious. Oh, I'm serious. Imakazi.
Daddy, say hi.
Good afternoon, sir. Hey, Jesus. All these things for me. Come. All of this. Guys, this is Kamsi. Kamsi, say hi. Hi. She's not quiet like this, so she's not quiet. She's just being quiet. Fine girl.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are about to start our video.
Testing the microphone.
2 hours later.
So, and Lily just, it's clear. She's just coming back from
Mind what you're
getting
doing.
some.
Guys, you just finished video.
We just finished filming.
My neighbor
video.
brought this for me.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Hi guys.
Hi. Okay guys, we just finished filming. We just finished filming. We just filmed 2 videos. I don't know if this one will go up before those ones. I don't know, but you are going to see them and I know you are going to love them. Please check out our channel. Please, you guys should go and storm our page. And I'll soon be on my way to Onitsha now because it's around 4 o'clock. So I need to be on my way to Onitsha so I can get to Onitsha on time. You know guys, this one is so fine. Oh, This outside Makwara is bomba. Vloggers, the life of vloggers. Come to say bye.
See how you're giving yourself insults. Go inside with that plate of food.
Guys, I'm on my way home. I'm so happy. I'm super happy. I'm making sweets. I know you just saw the sweets. I'm so happy. People should help me and thank Lily Prop TV. People should help me and thank her. Oh my God. So guys, this is Trackers Park, Transport Company of Anambra State. This is their branch in Awka. Anybody who has stayed in the east before should know Trackers because they have a lot of branches in different states in the east. Yeah, so this is Trackers Park and there were a lot of sellers, so many sellers. I even got biscuits. There was the biscuit seller, there was the wristwatch seller, all those guys that carry a lot of wristwatches and earrings. There was the mineral seller, a typical Nigerian pack, and all of them were really trying their best to convince me to buy their goods. Like if I listened to all of them, I would have not had transport money to go home. There was the charger seller, like name anything you want to buy, you will get it in a Nigerian pack. I'm so sorry the video came out this way. It's just because I'm always trying to be very discreet. Yeah, this is a bed sheet seller. Yeah, you get bed sheets at the park because they just assume that there are some people that come to the park and maybe they want to buy bed sheets. Maybe they forgot their bed sheets at home. You get sponge, you get soap, you get toothbrush, you get anything you want at a Nigerian park. Anything, name it. So this was the ticket that was given to me. I think the tickets given for eastern, like if you are traveling from an eastern state to another eastern state or an eastern city to another eastern city, is different from the tickets given when you are traveling from a very, very far place. So guys, your baby girl is officially back to Onitsha. Yes, this is Onitsha. I got back to Onitsha in good time. Yeah, I got back to Onitsha before 6:30 or so, and I was just so happy. Guys, please help me thank Lily Pope TV and help me pray for my helper that made all of this possible. I hope you could relate with the bus experience. This is a super short video, but I hope you could relate to the bus experience and all of that. And this will bring us to the end of this video. Guys, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. For now, bye. I love you. Mwah.
Please subscribe to Dera's vlog. Please subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Dera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube and tell your friends to subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube.